Hey guys, it's Nick from Beanie Bunch, and I'm here with some cool equipment that I got from the Porto Coffee week. I was lucky enough to come third in the Brewers Cup, and I got to win some really nice Hario equipment, which is very nicely put together by Sergeant Martino. And as a thank you, I'm just going to run through the recipe very similar to what I did in that competition. So the water's already brewed, and I've got my coffee here. So I had 15 grams of coffee. So there's my 15 grams. So I started off with a bloom. So I did twice the amount. So I did a 30-gram bloom, and then I made sure it was really well agitated. In the competition, I had a WDT tool, which was kindly given to me by Sergeant Martino. But today I don't have one, so it's all good. But it's nicely messed around. So I waited for 45 seconds. So in that 45 seconds, I made sure everything was wet and there's a nice slurry. So when I poured quite slowly and in a little circle. Tried to not go too far on the outsides. I started in the middle, let a bit come out, and then I did a little tiny moon sun-like circles, not going too close to the paper because I don't want any bypass. And I did this to 150, very standard recipe, before 1 minute 15. So nice and slow, all the steady, not rising or going lower or higher. And then at 150 I stopped, and at 115 I then did a constant slow pour, really slow, right in the middle, up until 250. And I'm sort of aiming to finish around 250 grams of water. In the competition, I had a temperature of 96 degrees because we're using a Kenyan from Comet. So I want to just get a lot of that extraction out. So I'm now at 1 minute 50 and I'm at 240. And I'm going to finish now 250 grams at 1 minute 58. I'm going to give it a little swirl, a little tap, and I just left it. This lovely copper was something I won. I didn't get to use this in the competition, but I wish I did because it's amazing, and this beautiful kettle as well. So it's ran through a little quick. I had a slightly finer grind setting in the competition, so it's coming through about 230. So yeah, it's come through nicely, nice flat bed, nice color, and shall we see how it tastes? Cheers. Random coffee. Balanced, but I'm still not sure what it is. But yeah, thank you very much, all the guys that took part, the competitors, and the other half of Beanie Bunch, Shannon. We had a good competition. We came up against each other. I nudged her just, but no, it was an enjoyable experience and something that I'm looking forward to doing more again. Porto Coffee Week was really good, and more to come next year. More competitions, more fun, more coffee, and yeah, thank you very much, guys, and see you soon for another video with Beanie Bunch. Ciao.